So Mount Dora is a special place. We pride ourselves on spoiling our citizens, being out in the community. My philosophy is policing from the inside out, being in the community, knowing what the community needs, what their needs are from their police department, because we work for the community in the city of Mount Dora. So it's very important to me and to bring the entire city together for a unity march to show the rest of the cities around the county and Central Florida and around the country that we are different, we are someplace special. So I'm excited, I can't wait for this to start. I can't wait to hear the speakers and show the entire country what we're all about.